It's a good time to prepare for the upcoming tax season, especially for those of you who get paid using apps like Venmo and PayPal.
There's an adjustment to a tax form you'll have to fill out if you receive a certain amount of money. 12 News consumer reporter Sarah Grinelli joins us now in studio with what you need to know. Sarah?
Kim, Mike, the 1099-K form targets business transactions, not personal transfers. But an expert we spoke with warns anyone who makes over $600 through a third-party payment system could get one of these forms from the IRS come January.
Yeah.
Alana Capocaro is busy at work styling hair at Noir Salon in Cranston. But with the job comes being an independent contractor and using a 1099 tax form.
Being an independent contractor is definitely a little bit more complicated because you have to now know how to save that money and allocate it towards taxes at the end of the year.
The tax filing season for 2022 is going to be a bit more complicated for people like Capocaro. That's because of an updated threshold for the 1099-K tax form, according to CPA Greg Picaro.
So there's going to be a problem for this tax filing season for the year 2022. In 2023, people are going to start receiving these forms.
He says changes to the 1099 tax form were baked into the American Rescue Act of 2021. It dropped the limit for those who use third-party payment systems like Square or Venmo.
Well, that threshold used to be $20,000 in total or 200 transactions in the course of the year. So a really small business would probably never have to worry about 1099-K reporting.
For the upcoming tax season, he warns many could be receiving a 1099-K form who haven't before.
That threshold was dropped to $600, no limit on transactions. So you could have a yard sale, possibly in your driveway, have the use of Square, for example, and you might get a 1099-K.
That means, he says, anyone who does any form of online businesses will likely get one of these forms.
You may know people will reimburse a friend for something via a Cash App, might sell personal property like old furniture or a car using a Cash App. And those transactions are now going to potentially be reported unless the payee says at the time of transaction, hey, this is a non-business transaction.
Capocaro adds this just adds more work for her this upcoming tax season.
It's more complicated because we already have to pay in so much to taxes. They definitely take 1099s and slice and dice for whatever penny they can grab.
And he says it's possible that non-business transactions may be reported to the IRS by mistake. So he suggests if you're paying a friend back for something like dinner, when you're using an app like Venmo, you can just label it as a non-business expense so the IRS knows. Sarah Grinelli, 12 News.